Hello, you are tuning into the fourth episode of the second season of 5 Minutes of Mindfulness. Whether you are on the go, taking a lunch break, or resting, this series provides you with mindfulness information and techniques in under 5 minutes.
Last episode, we talked about setting up a good bedtime routine. Now that you hopefully have skills to help you get even better sleep, let's talk about what happens when you wake up. Setting a morning routine filled with mindfulness is important as it sets the tone for your whole day. Having a mindful morning routine can help you start off your day feeling calm and in the moment rather than rushing. To help foster these feelings of calm and being present, we want to encourage you to start your mornings with setting intentions for the day and practicing gratitude to get you in a positive mindset. It's also important to warm up your body, so this week's mindfulness technique is mindful stretching.
Today we'll be focusing on the two types of stretching. Active static stretching works the targeted muscle groups for the stretch, while passive static stretching uses an assistive tool such as gravity or a band to activate the stretch. Some quick tips. Remember to breathe through the stretching, relax, hold your best posture, and never push yourself through pain. Start with your favorite breathing technique. We recommend the 4-4-8 technique, which means inhaling for 4, holding for 4, and then exhaling for a count of 8.
Next, we will do some dynamic stretches. I'll be showing you the shoulder rolls, hamstring curls, and knee lifts. For shoulder rolls, you are just going to stand up as straight as possible, with your feet aligned with your hips and arms relaxed at your sides. Roll your shoulders back with your elbows bent and palms forward. For hamstring curls, stand up as straight as possible with your feet aligned with your hips. Alternate lifting your feet towards your back. Lastly, knee lifts are basically like marching. Stand with your feet together and alternate lifting your knees to your hands at the level of your chest. For a deeper stretch, try lifting high enough to hold your shin and bring your leg into your body.
So you can also do some seated stretches to warm up your body. First one I'm going to show you is the seated hamstring stretch. So what you're going to do is keep your feet flat on the ground, front of your chair, straighten one of your legs, put your heel on the ground, keeping your toes pointed up. Now bending at your hips, keeping your spine straight. Bend forward and reach for your toe, and you can gently press on your leg. And hold this for about 10 to 30 seconds. Release it and repeat 2 to 4 times.
We hope that these stretches help you gain focus and warm up your body for the rest of the day. Remember to focus on relaxing and never push yourself through pain.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope these suggestions help and you have the tools you need to create mindful mornings and therefore more mindful days. See you next episode.